Hello friends, how are you? Today we are going to deal with the chapter named that is word trigonometry. Trigonometry. In this chapter we are going to study about triangles, right? And we know very well that this word is made up of three Greek words like tri, gono and metry. And the meaning of these three words here, we can see here that the meaning of tri is what? Three. Gono it means what? Sides. And metry it means what? To measure. So students, if we are going to define the word trigonometry, then we may define it as that it is a branch of mathematics in which we deal with relations involving lengths and angles of a triangle. Students, here we define the word trigonometry as that it is a branch of mathematics in which we deal what relations involving what lengths and angles of a triangle. Students, before starting this chapter, we should know about the terms involving right angle triangle. Basically, students, we relate these three sides and that we measure, and the relation between lengths and angles. Lengths here, what? This one and this one. So friends, if we talk about right angle triangle, then here we deal with what? Base, perpendicular and what? Hypotenuse. And we know very well that in a right angle triangle, hypotenuse, what? Hypotenuse is the longest side. We should remember it, students. Hypotenuse is the longest side. Either two sides will be what? Either two sides will be perpendicular or what? Base. And there is a relation among perpendicular, base and hypotenuse. That is what? Hypotenuse. Square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of a square of perpendicular and base. This one is the relation among hypotenuse, perpendicular and base. And we should remember these formulas, and this one is called what? Pythagoras theorem. Because this formula is used more if we are going to if we will solve the problems, then this formula is utilized everywhere. So this one is important for us to memorize this formula. Now friends, in later class, in later topics, we are going to study the formula, and we can say it as axioms, some definitions. Some definitions in trigonometry. They are what? Just we discussed in a right angle triangle that a right angle triangle has three sides, naming one is what? Base, other is what? Perpendicular, and third one is what? Hypotenuse. So students, we have three sides, one is perpendicular, other is base, and third one is what? Hypotenuse. And from these three sides, 6 possible ratios will be made, and they are what? P upon H, H upon P, just reciprocal of this one. Next one, B upon H, and just reciprocal of this, H upon B. Next one, P upon B, and reciprocal of this one is what? B upon P. And the name of these definitions are, that is sine, this one is what? Cosine, cosecant. Next one is what? Cosine, and the reciprocal of cosine is what? Secant. Here this one implies that tangent, and the reciprocal of tangent is what? Cotangent. Now we may write sine as what? Sine, cosec, cosine, cos, secant, sec, and tangent, tan, and cotangent what? Cot.